Welcome to a couple of bunkies.
My wife and I have made some really great videos on our Wheelhorse 520H. Now, our Wheelhorse is getting up to around 40 years old, and we've been keeping up with the maintenance the best we can. And as things keep getting older, certain parts get harder and harder to find. For example, around 10 years ago, we ended up having to replace the entire engine. So this lawnmower no longer has the original Onan 20 horsepower engine that came in stock. At the time, this was my father's lawnmower. He had gotten installed a Kohler Magnum 18 engine. Now, from what I could find, this Kohler either came from a similarly aged Wheelhorse or a Cub Cadet. Now, I absolutely love this engine, even though it's a little less powerful than the original Onan. But the number one drawback is this stupid plastic intake screen and fan. I have actually ended up having to replace these two parts 3 times, usually due to brush or objects falling on the side of the lawnmower, while the original Onan part was made out of steel, which could probably take a beating. So since I had changed out this part twice before, I figured it would be a good idea to go ahead and make a quick recording of me doing it this time. Now, if you're looking for the exact part in 2026, you're going to have to get it off of a broken tractor. And since I'm not made out of money and I don't have a 3D printer yet, I settled for the next best thing. This setup will work in a pinch, but you're going to have to be okay with putting a saw to it. Now, the first part we need to do is remove this front shroud completely. There should be around 6 bolts around the entire engine, holding the shroud on. Now, for the life of me, I could not seem to find the bottom bolt that was holding the shroud on. So I kind of just bent the whole thing over in order to take out the old fan. In my mind, I thought it was just pinched on the frame. And I'm able to remove the rest of the fan, and eventually find the bolt I was missing. Now that we finally have the shroud off, I can go ahead and install the highly modified Flywheel Fan that I had to take to a bandsaw. Now, what I really like about using this part is that I can do this 3 times for the price it would be to get the right part. Now that the fan is installed, I can go ahead and install the blower housing. Now, everything is all patched up. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing. And if you're like me, you kind of enjoy cutting grass, please enjoy watching me running my lawnmower for a few minutes.